How to speed up Snapchat videos. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can easily speed up Snapchat videos. First thing first, go ahead and tap on your Snapchat application to launch it. And once you launch the application, all you need to do here is now take a video that you want to speed up. So I'm just going to record a short video here. So let me. Alright, so here I have recorded this video. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and tap on this bottom where there are white dots. So these are some filters. You need to just swipe to the left until you find this right here. So you will be able to see this fast forward mode. So it will make it super fast. If you just wanted to make it fast, you could do that by tapping here. So as you can see, the video has been made fast, but if you want it to be really fast, you can tap on this triple arrows and then tap on send and send it to your friends. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.